Healthy and spicy homemade cauliflower fried rice recipe, perfect for weight loss. Recipe number 1. Hey everyone, welcome back to our multi-recipes and recipes channel. Today, we've got a fantastic recipe that's not only delicious but also perfect for those looking to shed a few pounds. We're making homemade spicy cauliflower fried rice. It's a healthier alternative to traditional fried rice, and it's packed with flavor. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon on our multi-recipes and cookeries channel to stay updated on all our tasty recipes. Now, let's get started. 1 medium-sized cauliflower. 1 cup mixed vegetables, carrots, peas, corn, and green beans. ½ cup diced bell peppers, assorted colors. ½ cup diced onions. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 2 eggs, beaten. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 1 teaspoon sriracha sauce, adjust according to spice preference. Salt and pepper to taste. Green onions for garnish. Preparation. First things first, let's rice our cauliflower. Cut the cauliflower into florets and pulse them in a food processor until they resemble rice grains. Once that's done, let's move on to cooking. Heat a large pan or wok over medium heat. Add a tablespoon of oil and sauté the onions and garlic until they become fragrant. Toss in the mixed vegetables and bell peppers. Stir fry for a few minutes until they're tender crisp. Push the veggies to the side and pour the beaten eggs into the pan. Scramble them until they're fully cooked. Now, add the riced cauliflower to the pan. Stir everything together to combine. Pour soy sauce, sesame oil, and sriracha over the cauliflower mixture. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Continue to stir fry for about 5 to 7 minutes until the cauliflower is cooked but still has a bit of crunch. Garnish with chopped green onions for that extra pop of flavor. Benefits. Now, let's talk about why this dish is not only tasty but also great for those on a weight loss journey. Cauliflower is a low-calorie, high-fiber vegetable that helps you feel full and satisfied without packing on the pounds. By swapping out traditional rice for cauliflower rice, you're cutting down on carbs and calories while still enjoying a satisfying meal. The added veggies provide essential nutrients, and the spice from the sriracha can help boost your metabolism. Plus, it's a great way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet. And there you have it, our homemade spicy cauliflower fried rice. It's a guilt-free, flavorful option for anyone looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle. If you give this recipe a try, let us know in the comments how it turned out for you. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious and nutritious recipes. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking! Thank you very much cauliflower fried rice lovers.